Look at Sarah. We're going to dry her off. This is today's simple and delicious best oven baked lemon chicken recipe. Everyday simple recipes, you guys. Look at her. Look at Sarah. This is the most simple and delicious oven-baked lemon chicken recipe. Everyday simple recipe, you guys.
It's always good.
Again, a simple and delicious best oven baked lemon chicken recipe. You guys can do this right at home. It is amazing. It's the magic, the lemon under the skin and in the bird. Simple and delicious oven-baked lemon chicken recipe. I want you to make it. I want you to try this recipe.
This is gonna be real good.
Here's the magic to make the best oven roasted lemon chicken. Ooh, yes.
simple and delicious and so good.
Ooh, Sarah, don't be so mean. Simple and delicious. The best oven-baked lemon chicken recipe, you guys. Everyday simple recipes. I want you to make this. I want you to make this. You guys, I want you to make this recipe. Make this recipe and let me know your thoughts. I'm telling you, this is the best, simple and delicious oven-baked lemon chicken. You're gonna love it. You have to make this recipe. I need you to do me a favor. If you like the way that chicken looks right there, go ahead and subscribe and thumbs it up. Okay, enjoy.
Supersize G5 super fly should be supervised. Do or die, open up your eyes, head to the sky. Keep a mean bad mommy on the side. Make a tsunami kamikaze on the mind. Spit flow paparazzi.